Will you help me?
What can I do for you?
The trucks are at my house. The men are packing all my things. Please, make them stop.
Mrs.
Ganesh.
The bank is informing you of their intent to repossess your property at 325 Brandon Street today.
This is my home for 30 years. I hope to have more money soon. I just need a little more time.
I don't think my manager is going to extend you any more credit. I'm really sorry.